Welcome back everybody, Rob Booker here. Thanks for coming on board and watching this next video in the series. This is a 3-part, hardcore, trading related series of videos. All in all, take about 5, 6, or 7 minutes to watch all of these videos. I appreciate it. It'd mean the world to me if you just watch them all the way through because you're gonna learn a strategy. You can get the pivots indicator below this video on YouTube. As you know, I love it. My heart is really in this. I love it when a financial instrument hits R3 or S3. But in the case of a financial instrument that I really like, that I'm bullish on, I don't like these R3 hits. I don't like to trade those. So if it hits R3, I just kind of ignore it. And instead, on an instrument like Adobe, when it hits S3, I really like the way that looks for a buy trade. So what I want to do right now is I want to pull up a couple of different indicators, maybe a couple of additional indicators here, and I want to just get a look. Where's the weekly pivot this week? It's above where we are right now. Are we overbought or oversold on multiple time frames simultaneously? No, not necessarily. Is there any divergence? No, not necessarily. Are there any, oh yeah, look at that. This is a bullish exhaustion bar down here. This doji kind of candle right down there. I like this. I want to buy Adobe. It hit at S3. It's printed this exhaustion candle or bar, so I want to buy it. And I want to do something reasonably short term. I want to do something that has a payoff not too far out into the future. Maybe at the end of this week, for example. I think it'll be higher at the end of this week than it is at the beginning of this week. So I want to take a look at and set up that trade. Remember, all trading involves a substantial risk of loss. This is all done for educational purposes. I'm not here to recommend this trade in particular to anybody, but when we come back, I'm going to log right into my trading account and I'm going to set this trade up and show you how I might think about doing this trade. I'm Rob Booker and I'll be right back.